You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly in English and also in Irish, because yes, originally it comes from Irish, even though that's not the Irish spelling that we have here. It's a different one, and I'll link to a video that you can learn how it's spelled and how it's pronounced in Irish. Now, Irish is Aislynn pronunciation. Now, in English, this is more often pronounced as Aislynn. Do you pronounce it Aislynn yourself or Aislynn? Let us know in the comments, or Aislynn. There are different pronunciations indeed, but now at least you know them all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.